Hello everyone. So the NEET PG 2023 date is finally announced. So let's discuss study strategy and study plan in this video. So we have approximate 150 days for the NEET exam. So how to divide your days, as these are very crucial days. So for first 100 days, do a one good thorough revision. Then for next 50 days, you can do 2 revisions. So at least read your notes for 3 times before exam. So in first 100 days, remember the strategy. First do your weak subjects and then move on to your strong subjects, and devote more days to your weak subject. In the last 50 days, when you are nearing your exams, do the revision in reverse direction. First do your strong subjects and then do your weak subjects, which you forget easily, so that near the exam you have studied them and you know the answer. So in 50 days you can do 2 revisions, like 30 days and 20 days for the next revision, and make a separate notebook for your volatile points and write it down for each subject, so that in 20 days you have a one separate notebook for that and you can revise it. Now, how to divide your day to prepare for the exam? Suppose you are doing your internship, and what you can do is, it is not possible to study full time during your internship. So in your duty hours, when you are in the hospital, whenever you get free time, try solving the question bank and see images. Take separate time to see the images, because very frequently image based questions are also asked. So in the duty time, try to do some question bank, previous year questions, image based questions, or read some pearls, and devote 4 to 5 hours for reading a subject whenever you get free. Now suppose you have completed your internship. So what you can do is, for 6 hours read a subject. Then for 1 to 2 hours devote it for the question bank or previous year question. Do it on a regular basis and every day. And for half hour do image based questions every day. And you can give a mini test daily, so that you have a habit of solving questions and MCQs. So try giving a mini test daily, and every week or every 2 weeks give a grand test. Then you have to do previous year questions every day. Make a notebook and write the answers which you get wrong in the separate notebook, so that during your next revision you just only see those questions and save your time. Now, a 100-day study plan. So for anatomy and physiology, you can give 7 days each. Biochemistry you can complete in 6 days and give a thorough revision. Micro 7 days, pathology 6 days, forensic 5 days, pharma completed in 7 days, ENT 4 days each. Then community medicine 6 days, for medicine and surgery 7 days each. Then pediatrics you can easily complete it in 5 days. Obs and gynae in 6 days. Like for obs give 3 days and for gynae give 3 days. Derma 3 days, anesthesia 3 days, radiology 4 days, ortho and psych 3 days each. So in 100 days, do a thorough revision and write down the volatile points separately. So in your next revision, so that in the next cycle of revision you don't have to open the whole notebook again. In that notebook, write down the points you forget during revision, your previous year questions which you had done wrong, questions in Q bank which you have done wrong, all in a separate notebook and subject wise. Then, for example, you can revise in two ways. One method is like topic wise revision. For example, you have suppose allotted 7 days for anatomy. So what you can do is general and embryology in 1 day, upper lower limb 1 day each, abdo and thorax 1 day, neuroanatomy 1 day, and head and neck 2 days. According to your convenience, you can do it. And in the same day, try completing the Q bank and previous year question related to that topic and see the images side by side. In the same day, keep this your target. If you can't do it like this, what you can do is, like, for 5 days do a thorough revision of anatomy, and for next 2 days do the question bank images and previous year questions. So in this way you can revise your subjects effectively for 100 days. You have time, devote it seriously. So good luck for your exams. Thanks for watching. Kindly like, share and subscribe. For next 50 days we'll discuss in the next video. Thank you.